In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust letter spacing in Figma in a quick and easy way. This is a really useful text styling trick when you want your design to look cleaner, more modern, or just a little more polished. Whether you're working on a logo, headline, banner, or UI design, controlling letter spacing can make a big difference in how readable and professional your text looks. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and select the text you want to edit. You can do this by clicking directly on a text box, or if you only want to change a few letters, you can highlight specific characters inside the text. This is helpful if you want different spacing in just one part of a word or sentence. Once the text is selected, look over to the right sidebar. In the text or typography section, you'll see the letter spacing control, which is usually shown with an A icon between two vertical lines. Now that you've found the letter spacing setting, you have two easy ways to change it. You can click into the value field and type in a number manually, such as 10% or 2 pixels, depending on how you want the spacing to behave. If you want a faster method, you can also click and drag the label left or right to increase or decrease the spacing visually. Dragging is great when you're experimenting and want to see the changes in real time without typing in exact values. As you adjust the spacing, pay attention to how the text feels on the canvas. If the letters are too close together, the text can look crowded. If they're too far apart, it can become hard to read. A small adjustment is often enough to make the design feel much more balanced. You can also test different letter spacing values for different text sizes, because large headings often need spacing adjustments that are different from body text. If you're designing for branding or UI work, this is also a great time to compare your text with the rest of the layout. Sometimes just a tiny increase in letter spacing can make a headline look more elegant, while reducing it slightly can make compact text fit better in buttons or navigation items. The key is to make subtle changes and check how they affect the overall design. Once you're happy with the result, you're done. That's how you adjust letter spacing in Figma using the text settings in the right sidebar. It only takes a few seconds, but it can have a huge impact on the final look of your design. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Figma tips and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.